So guys, this is how to recover a hacked Gmail account. So if your Gmail account is hacked, this is what you do. So first of all, what you have to do is to get to your phone menu and try to search for Google Chrome. So let's scroll, and as you can see, this is Google Chrome. So let's tap on it. So tap on the Chrome, then after that, over here, tap over here. So tap on the search bar and search for recover hacked Gmail. So recover Google account, hacked Google account recover, or recover hacked Gmail account. It's all the same. So just type in the same thing, Gmail account. Then after that, you tap on search, and when you tap on search, you're going to say just Google help. It says secure a hacked or compromised account. So what you have to do is to tap on it. Then this is going to pop up. You tap on just once. Then after that, you're going to see it loading, and after loading, you're going to see this. So if this Gmail has been hacked, you're going to see you are signed into this Gmail. So as you can see, that's it. So let me say, if you can't sign in, this is what you have to do. So if you can't sign in your Gmail that you've logged in, what you have to do is to tap over here to recover page. So just tap on account recovery page, then you tap on just once. After that, you have to wait for it to load, and over here you are going to type your Gmail account that you want to recover. So just type in your Gmail account that you want to recover. So just type in the Gmail account. So let's type in our Gmail account. So after typing your Gmail account, what you have to do is to tap on next, and after tapping on next, you're going to see use your fingerprint or face or screen locks to unlock this. So what you have to do is to tap on continue, and as you can see over here, it's loading. So let's wait, and you're going to see this. So you have to unlock your pattern or your screen lock. So now what you have to do is to type in your screen lock. So after typing your password, you have to wait, and as you can see, welcome back. So what you have to do is to tap on continue, then now you tap on just once. So over here, security checkup. So as they can see that this account is owned by you, what you have to do is to tap on no update, or it says what Google account, use your recovery email to want that. Okay, sign in. Is this email correct? So you have to check the unlock email whether it's correct. So when it's correct, you tap on yes, confirm. When it's not correct, what you have to do is to tap on no update. Then after that, you have to type or enter your correct recovery email over here. Do you get me here? So if you don't have a recovery email, just try to tap in any email account that you think is yours, that you created some time ago. After typing in a Gmail account, then you tap on next, and as you can see, it says what verify your account. So they are going to send you a verification code to that recovery email. So when you receive that 6 digits, what you have to do is to type in the 6 digits over here in the recovery code section over here. Just type it over here, and when you type it over here, then you tap on next, and after tapping on next, you are going to get your account recovered. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next one.